These are the 7 levels of monetization. Level 1, unmonetized. This is where everyone starts. You're posting content, trying to grow your following, and praying that a post takes off. At the beginning, excitement is high because you've just started a new account and you have high aspirations. But it can quickly become demoralizing if you don't see progress. So if you're stuck here, focus on niching down, forming a consistent posting habit, and studying other creators, and you're gonna be just fine. Level 2, monetized. You officially reach this level once you've made your first penny from your content. And the easiest way to do this is with affiliate marketing. But depending on how fast your account grows, it could also be from ad revenue or a brand deal. This level is still a grind because you're trying to grow your account and the money coming in is very sporadic. But hey, at least you're getting paid to be a creator. Once you reach this level, focus on maintaining the good habits you formed in level 1 and then double down on content that's working. Level 3, regular earner. At this level, you're starting to make money more consistently. The affiliate sales are more regular, you're getting paid ad revenue every month, and you're getting more brand deals as well. The money coming in isn't enough to quit your job yet, but you're at least getting a small paycheck every month from your content. And this is when it starts to get exciting because you get a glimpse of what's possible. For the first time, you have an audience that consumes your content regularly, and that audience is growing every day. When you reach this level, it can be easy to get distracted by other opportunities, so it's important that you focus and lean into what's making you the most money. Whatever you do, don't let the momentum stop. Level 4, full-time creator. Congratulations, at this point, you're making enough money from your content that you can quit your job and make content full-time. In order for this to be possible, you need to have multiple reliable income streams with a plan to diversify. So most creators can make enough money from ad revenue, brand deals, and affiliate sales to go full-time. But these are risky to rely on long-term. So this is where creators will often sell merch or other products to add another source of revenue. These products are usually white labeled, meaning they're made by another company, and then the creator adds their branding to it. For example, when creators like PewDiePie, The Sidemen, and Mr. Beast started selling merch, they were not manufacturing their own clothing. They were getting blanks from an existing manufacturer and then adding their own designs. And even though you're making a full-time income at this level, it's important that you keep your foot on the gas because you never know what could happen. Just like in the previous level, creators should look at ways to double down on what's making them the most money so their earnings don't dip. Level 5, the scaling phase. At this point, you're making enough money to live on, but you want to scale your earnings to give yourself more peace of mind. This is usually the point where creators start building a team around them because it's no longer possible to do everything themselves. And doing this allows creators to get more out of their existing income streams. For example, a creator might hire a sponsorship manager to filter through all the brand deals they're getting and decide which ones are worth pursuing. Or they might negotiate with existing partners to try and get more favorable terms, such as equity or revenue sharing, as opposed to just getting paid a flat fee. Creators at this level will almost certainly have editors and designers as well, if not already hired at levels 3 or 4. Everything at this stage is about building systems that allow the operation to scale without putting too much on the creator. Level 6, set for life. At this point, the creator has made enough money from their content that they could retire if they wanted to. They could literally stop posting content and it would not hurt them in any way, which gives them a lot of freedom to explore what they want to. And when creators reach this point, usually they choose one of 2 paths. The first path is to take their foot off the gas and enjoy the freedom they've built. So one example of this is PewDiePie, who made a fortune from his content. Then he moved to Japan and he just makes videos about whatever he wants to. Or another example is Graham Stephan, who has also made millions from his content, and now he uses a more lax posting schedule and focuses on his podcast. Some creators even stop posting altogether because they don't want the stress anymore. But then you've got the second path for the psychopaths who are not satisfied. They want to keep scaling for the love of the game, which brings us to level 7, legacy builders. These are people like Mr. Beast and Alex Hormozy, where not only have they made enough money that they never need to work again, they are actually putting their foot on the gas to try and scale even bigger. When creators get to this level, it's no longer a small operation. They are running massive companies and have pivoted from just making money to trying to make a lasting impact on the world. In the case of Mr. Beast, he's got his YouTube channel, which brings in millions through ad revenue and brand deals. He's got Feastables, which brings in millions through product sales, and also has the unique mission of eliminating child labor in the chocolate industry. He's got his Amazon deal, which allows him to make Beast games, and then he's also got a bunch of other companies as well. And the reason why he keeps going, even though he's a billionaire, is because he's addicted to progress. He's wanted to be a YouTuber his entire life. So now that he's living his dream, he's gonna try and make better content, better products, and have a bigger impact. Not everyone aspires to reach this level, and most people who try will never make it. But the lower levels are definitely attainable. So if you find yourself stuck down here, watch this video next.